Right, so harvester, at least the chassis of it is painted. I'm actually quite happy enough with how it turned out. I didn't miss too many spots. I missed one spot here, but I got it with primer at least. There's one or two light patches in it someplace there, but this is just the chassis, like, so it's not going to be seen really too much, so it's not too important. The panels are lovely, straight, flat steel, so I'll be able to sand them. And make a nice job of them. But even the likes of here, it's a bit patchy here. I put plenty on this because there was lots of rust here, and you can see that it's very rough. But this is nice and smooth. This is quite rusty, but I'm not too bothered about that because I'm not even going using that tunnel for the pipes. I'm going to put the pipes up over. The drawbar frame turned out okay. Side plates, rollers, yeah, it's painted. So get going on with the reassembly now. Putting all those bearing feed rollers and everything like that back together on the front of that is the thing I'm not looking forward to on this project now, but we'll get there eventually.